Hey everybody, so I'm back with the Nostalgia Snow Cone machine. I've had this now for 2 years and I thought I'd do a quick update. This was one of my popular product reviews. Anyway, it does work pretty well, still works well, and I'll show you what I recommend when it comes to the ice as well. Alright, so it does have a serving tray here where you can put the little snow cone things. It does come with 2 of these. Now I lost one of them, I don't know where the other one is. It also comes with a little scooper. It does not come with like the round cone scooper. This is complete decoration. These wheels don't turn. The top is removable, easy to clean. You'll be able to open this up. You can take this whole thing out, unlock this, pull the whole system out. They do have very sharp blades. Just be careful when you're messing with that. We do have a cute little handle here in the front, and then we have a little door that you can open up to get your snow cone ice. Or you could use regular ice cubes, but I prefer smaller chunks, like little nuggets. They will cut up much quicker and easier. And if you got larger cubes, I mean, they will work, but it will be a little bit slower while it grinds it down. What I recommend is to kind of break them up a little bit, and it'll just make it so much easier and quicker. You're going to take your lid on, or you're going to take your lid, put it on, and just give it a twist. All right, in a matter of just a few minutes, we got a bunch of ice here. Doesn't take very long at all, and we don't have to go and buy a snow cone. Now we can go ahead and make our snow cone. Preferably without a mess like me. Now the one thing I would recommend that I haven't done yet is to get more of the scooper, just to make it a little easier. Go ahead and put our syrup on. And my daughter likes to be weird with a couple splashes of cherry. There we go. There's our homemade snow cone. Now, whatever leftover ice is in here, once it melts, it's just going to melt right to the bottom of this tray. And then you can just dump it out and that's it. Just wipe it down and you're ready to go. Anyway, this is the Nostalgia Snow Cone Maker.